Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Honor 70. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. Then, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and close it by selecting OK. Now, if you see this kind of notification pop-up on Samsung, you can choose whatever you wish to, and then repeat all of those steps one more time. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, choose Receive at the bottom of your Honor and Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung smartphone. Now finally, you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now tap on one of those options on Honor, choose Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon over here, then choosing while using or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. But if you want to, you can always go back, input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!